What's good, YouTube? It's Aircraft the Reactor here, back here with another video. Today, we're going to be reacting to Funniest Offensive Memes, Volume 10 by Sleepy Memes. Let's get into it. Hope make sure I like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what y'all want me to see next. And yeah, share this with all your friends, families, loved ones. All right, man. Let's get into it. Yes. Wait, hold on. Let me go back. Let me read this out. Hold on. This video is for entertainment purposes only. The purpose of this video is to make you laugh watching funny and offensive memes. These are not intended to bully/harass anyone. This video should not be taken seriously. You heard him. This video is not supposed to be taken seriously, so if you can't take dark humor or offensive jokes, you're going to have to click out this video because this is not for you. All right, let's get into it. When somebody tells me, when someone in the comments tells me to lose weight, my heart went. Stop. Please stop.
So say you see somebody else wearing my merch, you just go up to them and say, it's not a mistake, it's
another fatherless child.
I'm gonna make this a try. I'm gonna make this a try not to laugh. Actually, you feel me? This is the first try not to laugh on the channel. We're gonna have 3 lives, guys. 3 lives. If you're watching this, play along with me. There's gonna be 3 lives. If you laugh at 3 separate clips, you done. But if you laugh at the same clip, if you laugh and you laugh again at the same clip, it don't count. All right, let's get back into this.
Left and fatherless. No.
Some very bad news. Your wife's gonna be a vegetable. You'll have to bathe her, feed her, and care for her the rest of her life.
Oh my God.
No. I'm just kidding. She's dead.
I'm about to make some food.
Oh, hell no. I'm just kidding. She's dead?
Real quick, right? But my oven's been acting a little weird.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of
I knew you blew up that toilet.
the United
Bro, please.
States of America,
Hurry.
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under
This boy's horny. Freaky horny.
God, indivisible,
Freaky horny.
with liberty and justice for all.
Horny, freaky horny. I'm happy this never happened to me, but the only time I took a dookie in the school bathroom was is when I couldn't hold it. Like dookie in the school bathroom is supposed to be for emergencies only. When you can't hold it for the rest of the day and you need to go right then and there, that's the only time I went. Other than that, I peed in the school bathroom. You feel me? I peed in the bathroom, washed my hands, did all that, and left. But you took a number 2 when it was an emergency. Get back into it.
I knew it was fake.
Torio and me after downloading 3 apps and running them for 30 seconds, it didn't work on the channel. This was me and my sister when that crown thing on Musically was a thing. And those bots was following us, bruh, and telling us to do that, bruh. I was like, where the crown at? Like, we did the steps. Like, what's going on?
I knew it.
Famous last words.
Hey, if you fall through that, that'd be hilarious.
Oh, shit. Already, it's been a minute 16 already. All right, that life can be lost. That life is lost. All right, I got 2 more of them things.
Like father, like son.
year-old's baby in the room when he hears the director say, "And action." Sing if you find a track.
Hey, let's get it. I like my bitches red bone, ice fat, jello, light skin, yellow.
You do know what that is, right? Wow. 80 people that sung to it, I'm just saying.
Hello.
Yes.
Wow.
My son come and give me a Father's Day gift. Oh, you mother! I knew that bitch was good. You sorry motherfucker. How you gonna give me a Father's Day gift? Drop shit on the goddamn ground. You ain't worth a.
I'm gonna lose. I'm about to get packed up on my own challenge. I got one more and it's been 2 minutes.
There's a biker has been following me for over a mile now. I don't know what he wants. What?
We've been trying to reach out to you about your bike's extended warranty.
Your girlfriend's been trying to reach out and grab my extended wiener.
Yo, look who fell asleep first. Prank him, John. You already know. Okay,
Yo.
so I'm watching this fight, right?
You know you're in trouble when the ref makes this face.
And this gotta be the funniest thing ever. Watch this. Watch how he get in. Watch. Boom.
Oh, God.
Watch. He's looking at him like, who the fuck? What the And the referee, look at the referee. So you know.
Why is his eyes that poked out?
Looking at you getting whooped like this.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to like. If you're new, make sure to subscribe for more. With a budget hit up.
Last night. Oh, where? What was we doing? We was fucking.
Yo. Trick the tricker. That's worse than my phone for real. How? Like exactly how, bro? Like how?
I walk with a stick, I walk with a gun, I walk with a stick, I walk with a gun. I shoot niggas for fun.
The song not lying, but why he popping that little cop booty like that for real? He throwing back that red, white, and blue ussy for real. He throwing back. Why is it moving like that? He saw his wife do it a couple of times. And he took mental notes. Like, what's going on?
I spin your block, you won't.
Can't laugh because wait, not because wait. Whoever said this, you finna be in the room with Hitler and Trump. Down there, I'm just saying, my guy. Y'all about to be down there tap dancing, having a ball. He said, don't listen to them, girl. You a star. Wait, please stop. Oh, Jesus. Just gave my first friend a new costume. Wow. Me low-key sad about my best friend of 70 years dying. Realize this is a great opportunity to show off my new fit at her funeral.
Alright, you recording? Yeah. Look at this racist ass supermarket. There's an Asian food section with soy sauce? Yeah, the two. It's like Asian sauce. Alright, fine. Look at this. Fucking ramen? Like every Asian eats instant ramen?
Yeah, dude, technically, like, I think it's like...
Mother...
Alright, let's check out this village. Hey, yo! This baby villager has a rose.
Yeah.
Yo!
Yeah.
We're going on a date now.
EDP.
Disgusting, bro. You need to get the
I've seen this on a website, just not this one.
They have milked all the goats.
Peter, all those goats are males.
Well, the buckets are full and the goats are happy. I just hope
Stop it. Stop.
word doesn't get around.
Except for a good time called Peter Griffin 55500112. Oh, what I do. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I ain't mean to do that. My fault, y'all.
I like good times.
Me looking for a pet that fits my personality. Yeah, that's me. Stop it.
Oh shit, you got corona.
Oh man, no I don't.
No,
Come on, man.
You do got corona.
For real, whoever makes these are mad weird.
Excuse me, sir. Why you watch the video the whole way through? Every video you watch the whole way through. Whole video, whole way through. Well, except for a couple, but 98% of them you watch all the way through. Who the fuck just got rebooted? Stop it. NPC gets tomfoolerized by a black gentleman.
Check this out. See, she got binoculars.
Now stop it.
And more, introducing the Flowbee Precision Haircutting System. Get that freshly sucked hair you've always dreamed of without leaving the house. You can suck your whole family, mom, sister, and watch Uncle Steve suck himself.
Stop it. I made my friends from autocorrect from girls to boys. Stop it. Whoa. No, another R. Kelly EDP case right here. Yo, boys, you gotta wrap them up. You wanna go upstairs? Let's go. You got protection. I'm number one. Wow, what's up there? Man, this milk tastes really weird. I'm sorry, that's my breast.
This shit creaming. Creaming.
Hey, yo. Broski. Brody, bro. Okay. This man only feels God. Yo! Class? You are so handsome. I bet you get all the girls. Says grandma.
No. Let's make some lunch for my son. So my son is getting these big old wieners because he is gay. Happy Pride.
Good for your son being gay. Be who you are for your pride. You want him to get packed up at school for real. Like, they gonna call you, hey, Mr. So-and-so, we need you to come in for a parent-teacher conference for your son. Okay. and then you go to that parent teacher conference. He's talking about the lunch you made. Like, why are you sending your son to school with those?
Happy Pride Month. I really wanted to make sure it looked like a dick.
Wow. Should I be scared?
Hey, bro, your truck sucks. You know what? You just lost your airbag privileges.
Yo, give me that car. That car unsafe now. I don't feel safe in that car. Because the fact that you can just take away my airbag privileges just like that with a key, hell no, I don't feel safe in this car.
What's your name?
Ariana, but you can call me Ari.
You can call me Joe.
Your mama!
Not even just the Avengers. Every superhero is hitting that man's up for real. Trying to fart quietly on a roller coaster. Boys when they can't sleep at 1 a.m.
Man, fuck this shit. I'm jerking off.
That's me for real. When I can't sleep at 1 a.m. POV, you're fighting the motherfucker who has the balls to tell his barber he didn't like the cut. Yeah. I'm so glad my girl loves shrimp.
I'm a real gangster. You kids is pretending. This my side bitch.
But he don't know that I'm pregnant.
And I kill nigga. Wait, what?
Drama. Or Drake, my man Drake would have said, embarrassing. His first experience with my fart. I would have been the same way, because why it sound like that? That was all deep and wet. Pause.
This one, Yoshi. Hey, what's up, bro?
Stop it.
Well, I hate to say it, but I guess we're supposed to dig this kid up. Any volunteers?
I dig kids.
Of course you would, Herbert. My dad contacted me for the first time in 10 years. Me freaking the fuck out, wondering if I should respond. What should I say? Hello, my bad. Sent that accidentally. Stop it. I'll pop. Okay. Y'all need to go to jail.
I am going to be the terrorist. You have 3 seconds to attract attention. Go!
No, you're black.
YouTube. He said knitter. 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 Like you knit things. You knit them. Okay, cool.
Black when you keep bread in the refrigerator.
We don't keep the bread. We have leftover bread, or we have too many loaves of bread. We put them in the freezer. Oh. Stop it.
I did all the shit I could. I don't even know what's next.
I deserve it.
Things we no longer
kill. phone.
This one's for all my baby girls. I see your comments, ladies, and they make me smile. I'm lurking and I'm stalking when you least expect.
Yo. Hey, yo. But all right, man. Let's go and end the try not to laugh. I successfully won. You feel me? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vid. All right. Peace.